Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Step by Step. I am Adam, and I am from Spain. I am so happy you are here again. In the last episode, we learned how to say hello and introduce ourselves. Today, we take the next step. We will learn how to ask basic questions. In English, asking questions is the best way to keep a conversation going. Are you ready? Let's learn together. First, let's learn the big 3 questions for beginners. Listen and repeat after me. Question number 1, how are you? Question number 2, where are you from? Question number 3, what do you do? Excellent. Let's look at, what do you do? This question is not about what you are doing right now. It means, what is your job? Or, what is your profession? If someone asks you, what do you do? You can answer, I am a student, or I am a teacher, or I work in an office. Now, let's practice a short conversation. Imagine you meet a new friend. Listen to this dialogue. Hi, I'm Adam. Nice to meet you.
Hi Adam. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from, Sarah?
I'm from England. And you?
I am from Spain. What do you do, Sarah?
I am a nurse.
Do you see? It is like a game of tennis. You ask a question, they answer. Then they ask a question, and you answer. Now, I have a very important tip for you. In English, we use the word please and thank you a lot. It is very polite. If you don't understand something, don't be afraid. Just say, can you repeat that, please? Let's practice that slowly. Listen and repeat. Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? Perfect. This sentence is your best friend when you learn English. Before we finish today, here is your motivation. Remember, I am from Spain. English is not my first language. If I can speak it, you can speak it too. You don't need a perfect accent. You just need to be clear. Every word you learn today is a victory. Your homework for episode 2 is this: find a friend or use a mirror. Practice asking the 3 questions. How are you? Where are you from? And what do you do? Thank you for listening to English Step by Step. In the next episode, we will talk about common objects and how to describe your day. I am Adam. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next step.